In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn on or how you can clear your browsing history if you're on Google Chrome. So in my previous tutorial, I showed you guys how to do that on a mobile phone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do this on a PC. So to do this, I'm going to show you guys the shortcut. Just press Ctrl+H to your history. So let me do that for you guys to see. Good. So it takes me to my history here. So on here, you just tap on this delete browsing history if you want to delete everything. And here you can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and all time. So you select this, you can deselect them as well. So you can, select all of them and deselect, just like I said earlier. You can even come here, advanced, and select everything, including passwords and sites you visited and the rest. So here you can move to the advanced and then select everything to the advanced here. So you can select everything just like I've selected here. So now you can clear the data by just tapping on the delete data, and then you delete every data. And on here too, when you tap on the Ctrl+H, you can select the sites one by one. But then if you want to clear all of them from your PC, you go with the procedure I showed you guys earlier in the video. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.